Hi guys, today I want to introduce a special product for those people who have fat. Those women or men who have fat and they cannot lose their fat. Maybe they cannot go to gym for exercise or they are busy with their job and duty. So they easily can lose their fat with this product. How can use? Let me show you. Okay, here is 3, the type is 3 but I lost one. Okay, this one used for arm. Okay, like for arm, even women and men can use, and most of women and men have hair fat also, so can use for arm this one, and this one for belly. Okay, so here you can see, here is the abdomen, lower abdomen, the thigh, arm, hip, can also use this one. Okay, you will take out this plastic. Okay, so this one can put on your belly like this. Okay, and then here, oh, I don't have, I hope, oh, I don't have here also, so you can use here like this. Okay, then here you can on and off. Here is program. Okay, and here is speed. You can give speed like so. Start from 1, so it will slowly, so it will shaking your belly like this, moving. And if you make a speed off, so it will be start more moving. If you make it slowly, so it will be slowly, so it is like moving like this. Okay, so it is different. Here is program, it is different, like one side is like this, then like this. Okay, then different like this, different moving. So here, and then you can give speed here, and this one also you can use for arm. Actually it have 2 like this type, but I lost one, so you can use this one for arm and this one for belly. Even you can use for your hip, your thigh also you can use. Okay, this one, and easily can remove again. Okay, okay. So it even you can sleep in the bed, you can use. No need to go to gym. At home you can also use this one.